Hello again. This is part 2 of Zipping, Zapping, Zooming Bats. We're on the last couple pages here where it's going to tell us about all these different kinds of bats. So I'm going to start over here, bats facts. And as we're reading this, I want you to think about what kind of bat do you think Stella Luna is? Bat facts. There are more than 980 different kinds of bats in the world. The bat in this book, called the little brown bat, is the most common bat in the United States. Here are some other kinds of bats. California leaf-nose bat. Live in lowland desert areas of the western U.S. and Mexico. Instead of using echolocation, these bats find bugs by listening to their footsteps or wing beats. Then they pluck the katydid or moth from the ground or a plant. They can even hear a cricket walking. Hog-nosed bat of Thailand are the tiniest bats in the world and the world's smallest mammals. About the size of bumblebees, they weigh less than a dime and have a wingspan of just 5.5 inches. Mexican free-tailed bats winter in Mexico and return to caves in the southern and western United States in the spring. The largest colony has 20 million free-tailed bats in Bracken Cave near San Antonio, Texas. Some colonies have lost huge numbers. Carlsbad Caverns, New Mexico, now has 250,000 bats, down from 8 million. And Eagle Creek Cave, Arizona, has only 30,000 bats now, down from 30 million. So they lost a lot of their bat population. Gray bats are in danger. They can hibernate only in 9 caves in the U.S., where the temperature stays the same all winter. In summer, you may be able to see gray bats at Nickajack Cave near Chattanooga, Tennessee, Rock Bridge Memorial State Park near Columbia, Missouri, and Blowing Wind Cave near Scottsboro, Alabama. Vampire bats live in parts of Mexico and Central and South America. They are the only species of bats that eat blood. So that's the kind they were talking about in that Mystery Science video. Most often they feed on the blood of sleeping cattle or other livestock. So that means like cows. You can see vampire bats at Seattle's Woodland Zoo. Flying foxes are giants in the bat world with wingspans of up to 6 feet. They eat fruit, nectar, and pollen. Australia's gray-headed flying fox, shown here, feeds on the fruit of gum, eucalyptus, and fig trees. Without these and other fruit bats to spread seeds and pollen, many tropical and subtropical forests around the world might not survive. So this is a larger bat that eats fruit. It's called a flying fox. So which one of these bats do you think Stella Luna is? I'll give you a minute and then I'll tell you what I think. I think she's a flying fox because she eats fruit. So if you said that, then I agree with you. Bat house plans. To build a simple bat house, you'll need wood, nails, and some fiberglass screening. Just cut boards to the dimensions shown and nail them together tightly. Some fiberglass screening stretched across the inside wall will provide toe holds for your bats. Hang your bat house high in a tree or on the side of a building. In warm regions, hang the house where it will be shaded most of the day. In cooler areas, make sure the house gets several hours of sun each day. For more information on bats and bat houses, more detailed plans, and even pre-built bat houses, you can write the Bat Conservation International, P.O. Box 162603, Austin, Texas 78716. So this is like directions about how to build a bat house. All right. So that is Zipping, Zapping, Zooming Bats. This is our nonfiction bat book, and I hope you enjoyed it.